Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best 360 camera for car you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best 360 camera for car in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is HUPEJOS 360-degree 4-channel dash cam. HUPEJOS V84CH is a 4-channel dash cam that can monitor your vehicle's front, rear, and interior while providing audio at 2K front car camera plus 1080 pixels. The ultra-wide-angle lens has a 150-degree field of vision, allowing it to effortlessly span 4 lanes while capturing distortion-free photographs. That you will never be involved in a traffic disagreement, and that you will avoid potential liability concerns and accidents. When the cam is set to front and left or right dual recording mode, it has a 4K quality front camera and a 1080 pixel left-right camera. The front camera can record in 4K resolution, allowing for crisp capture of license plates and traffic signs. For peace of mind, the f1.8 aperture lens and WDR technology help to snap photographs and record movies brighter even in low light conditions such as dark alleyways or underground parking lots. The voice control function allows you to manage the dashboard camera with spoken commands English, allowing you to keep your hands on the wheel and concentrate on driving. Everything is simpler and more convenient because you can simply speak to capture a photo, start a video, turn on or off audio, Wi-Fi, and the screen. The dash cam features built-in 5G Wi-Fi, which is 4 times quicker than 2.4G Wi-Fi. It also has GPS. The GPS dash camera precisely records the driving trajectory and speed for later viewing. With the included Wi-Fi and the free TS Cam app, real-time videos can be viewed on your iPhone or Android device. You may track it on Google Maps using the GX Player for Windows and Mac, which will provide further evidence if an accident occurs. For details, let's watch more. Our second best 360 camera for car is iiwey 360-degree Rotating Dash Cam Omni. This 360-degree camera has a 24-hour parking monitor on the dash cam to record constantly when in parking mode. The 70 meters AI hardwire Kitsu P03 has been designed for 24-hour auto-triggered parking surveillance and time-lapse recording. The exclusive AI-based human detection algorithm eliminates false triggers. It detects approaching or remaining suspiciousness more precisely, then begins a 30 seconds recording and continues to follow. 2-phase stepping motors enable a 340-degree swivel design with a 140-degree Fahrenheit OV to avoid image distortions, all in a solid one, resulting in the industry's first true 360-degree no blind spot full vision dash cam Omni. Never miss a detail on your travel by smoothly moving the lens around. When the iiwey dash cam Omni is set to time-lapse recording mode, it may employ 7 by 24 hours of low power consumption mode that 1 frame per second to ensure the entire recording of the surrounding photos of the car and the parking condition. When you first activate the dash cam, it automatically switches on or off recording when you turn the car on or off. To save up memory space, newly recorded videos will automatically erase older recordings. The f1.5 big aperture improves image quality in low light situations. Meanwhile, the iiwey dash cam Omni features Pure Cell Plus SHDR technology, which provides best-in-class low light performance while automatically correcting exposure levels. As a result, exceptional color performance is provided under ultra-high contrast settings, such as entering and departing tunnels. And it significantly improves video quality without blinding front cars' license plates with bright headlights. For details, let's watch more. third pick in our list is COOAU 360° M26 Full HD Dash Cam. The small dash camera is simple to place on the windscreen, dashboard, back glass, or anywhere else. To change the direction of the lens, manually rotate it 360 degrees. The mirror mode option guarantees that the recorded films are oriented correctly for easy viewing. Furthermore, the LCD-free design makes it unobtrusive to driving vision, basic in structure, and simple to use, making it excellent for beginners looking for a car dash camera. The M26 dash cam records in 1920 by 1080 pixel with a big f2.0 aperture and WDR technology, allowing it to capture photos in a variety of lighting conditions. The camera's 150-degree wide angle allows it to film on a 6-lane highway. The wide angle range ensures that the recording range is as close to the actual scenario as possible without distorting the image. A tremendous force of evidence, a roadside witness. The FICA map described in the user manual has been updated due to device upgrades. To download the app, either scan the QR code in the listing or search the phrase Omni in the App Store or Google Play. With the M26 smart dash camera's built-in Wi-Fi, you can get GPS signals by connecting the dedicated free app Omni Car DVR to your smartphone. You can quickly configure the gadget, check files, and share them using your smartphone. It is straightforward to set up due to the simple notation. The updated Omni Car DVR software for iOS and Android addresses the issue of unreliable connections by allowing simultaneous Wi-Fi and communication data connections. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is COOAU D30S Wi-Fi Dash Cam. The dashboard camera's f1.8 aperture and WDR technology considerably increase the imaging impact. Furthermore, the cabin camera is outfitted with 4 infrared LED lights to improve night vision. Even in the darkest nighttime driving situations, the infrared night vision can catch details sharply. The dash camera for cars is built-in Wi-Fi and can easily connect to the free Omni Car DVR app. You can easily check or download or share movies and configure anything. In the event of an accident, simply exhibiting the tape to law authorities can assist in describing what happened precisely without the need to pull out the SD card and hunt for a laptop. The dash cam's built-in GPS module allows it to precisely locate the vehicle's location and routes on the map, and GPS automatically updates the time. Details that are satisfactory improve the dependability of recordings. It is also fitted with a supercapacitor, allowing it to endure extreme temperatures. There are substantial advantages in terms of long-term reliability, life duration, and high performance. The Uber camera's adjustable G sensor aids in responding to changing driving conditions. It will save the videos as locked files if it senses sudden shaking or impact. When shake/collision is detected, both front and inside cameras immediately turn on and record for 24 hours. A great sound recording feature will gather more persuasive information. The dashcam automatically starts and stops recording when the engine is turned on or off, eliminating the need to manually set start recording before each drive. With separating the recording into minute lengths, you can conveniently discover your key moments, and with auto file overwriting, you can avoid worrying about missing a shot in an emergency due to a lack of capacity. Last in our best 360 camera for car list is iiwey T1 Pro Dash Cam. The T1 Pro Dash Cam records 3 channels at the same time. Because of the switchable lens, 3 lenses can be utilized to capture front inside and rear or left right and rear, as desired. Both the left and right channels have 170 wide degrees, capturing all of the details as well as the 140-degree rear camera. Both the left and right cameras have 4 infrared lights. Dash cam with f1.8 aperture and upgraded sensor can provide exceptionally clear image at night. Even in complete darkness, the image will be displayed in black and white mode. At every time, protect your vehicle. A good option for Uber and taxi drivers. The dash cam will record at the same time, and the most recent footage will replace the oldest locked videos will not be changed. The dash cam's G sensor capability allows it to immediately lock the video in an emergency circumstance such as a collision or crash. You can also manually lock the movies if you believe it is necessary. When you park your automobile, the camera lens can be adjusted to provide a left and right view. It will provide a side view of the automobile, so you won't have to worry about your car getting scratched on the side. The dash cam turns on automatically. 3 cameras switch on simultaneously and begins recording, providing you with video evidence if your car is scratched while parked. To make your dash cam work 24 hours a day, that recommend mounting it using the hardwire kit. For details, let's watch more.